Why did the golden goblet make everyone sneeze? Well, the goblet was very old and covered in a special kind of dust. This dust was magical and made people sneeze whenever they got close. People thought it was a curse because they couldn't stop sneezing. But one day, a clever little mouse found out that the dust was actually made of tiny, ticklish feathers. The mouse told everyone, and they all laughed. They realized it wasn't a curse, just a funny trick. So they cleaned the goblet and kept it as a treasure. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fun stories.